Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to contact DoorDash support. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and contact DoorDash support because there's something wrong with your order. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to DoorDash. Next, click on your profile icon in the top right hand corner. Then click on settings on the top hand side. Next, click on get help. And every time you need something help related to an order, you could actually go ahead and click on receipt on the restaurant, then click on help on the top right hand corner, and then you can say something else or issues with the item. And so with that, that's essentially going to lead you to a chat message so that you can go ahead and contact DoorDash support. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and contact DoorDash support. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.